Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. I'm about ready to get my shave on with my straight razor, but I just want to tell you, every few days I get that phone call or that email. Hey Geo, I've been shaving with a safety razor for quite a while. I'm ready to try something different. I want to take on a new challenge. I'm ready to step up to a straight razor. This is my trusty Spartacus straight razor. If you're interested in getting into straight razor shaving, you might not want to start here. The best place to start is a 5/8 round point carbon steel blade like this right here. This is the Boker Shave Nation straight razor. Boker makes it for us, and this is the perfect size for you to learn on to start with. 3/8, 4/8, a little bit too small. This is a 5/8 from top to bottom. That's the width of the blade. This size blade is the best size for learning to navigate around your face. Very easy to maneuver. Excellent shaving razor. A great place to start if you're interested in learning how to shave with a straight razor. You can choose this or you can choose another one. Carbon steel, easier to sharpen. Stainless steel, a little more difficult to sharpen, but will hold an edge longer. Just a couple basics right there. So that's the razor. By the way, I'm going to put links to all these under the video where you can pick them up. Just click on where it says show more and you can grab everything right there. We'll probably even put together a kit. It's going to be called the Master Straight Razor Shaving Kit. So you can check that out as well. And then I'll put links to these videos to show you how to do different things up in the corner there. So you got the straight razor, 5/8 round point carbon steel. When you take the new razor out of the sealed sleeve, you'll be able to shave with it right away. After that, before every shave, you should strap it. This is an excellent strap. This is a 3-inch Shave Nation strap. This is burgundy color. I recommend that you get a strap that has two sides to it, one fabric and one smooth leather like this. So this strap comes in either burgundy or black, either one. And again, before you shave with your straight razor, after the first time, you'll want to strap it every time. I'll put a link right in the corner here, how to strap your straight razor. You can check that out. Also, a chromium oxide bar, which you will apply to the fabric side of the strap, right here. That will give you a nice polished edge on the razor. Prior to every shave, you'll perform your strapping, and the razor will be nice and sharp. After a while, the strapping will no longer get it sharp enough to shave with. You'll feel it pulling and tugging. That's when you want to do a touch-up on a stone. And the best stone for that is the Naniwa 12,000 grit stone. Here's a look at it. Super flat, super smooth. And you'll need the holder for the stone. This is a universal stone holder. This will hold just about any size sharpening stone you might have. It's adjustable. These move in and out. You drop the stone in like so. Just drop it in place, tighten these up. It's locked in place and you're ready to sharpen your razor. It's got rubber feet, huge rubber feet on the bottom, so it won't slip on the table. This also elevates the stone off the table, so it makes it much easier for you to perform your round trips with your razor. You won't need this right away, but a few months down the road, you'll notice your strap may start to dry up. Maybe it'll become a little bit brittle, not as supple as when it was new. Dovo leather balm. You can apply this to the smooth leather side of the strap and that will make it pliable and supple and ready to use again. Again, you won't need it right away, but down the road you may need it. Here's a look at that. I'll put a link up in the corner showing how to apply the chromium oxide and the leather balm conditioner right up there in the corner. And also below the video where it says show more. After you have used your stone once or twice, it will no longer be perfectly flat. So what you'll need then is a flattening stone. So you can make sure that the surface is perfectly flat because you want your blade to sit perfectly flat on the stone. So this is a Norton flattening stone. Comes in this nice protective case. Here's the stone. I'll put a link how to use the flattening stone right up here as well. You can check that out. Also very good to have in your shaving den is a microfiber cloth. This is a Shave Nation microfiber cloth. Really good size cloth. Very good size cloth. Great for drying your face after shaving. It's lint-free, super absorbent, dries quickly. Excellent for wiping down the blade of your straight razor in between your round trips. When you go from the fabric to the smooth leather, you want to make sure you wipe the blade And when you're done on the leather, you want to make sure you wipe the blade again so there are no contaminants on the blade. This comes in blue or black. This is a universal sized holder. As I said, it's adjustable. This will hold just about any size stone you may have. Click the link up in the corner to see how to touch up your straight razor to bring it back to shave ready condition. If you're doing a lot of work on a razor, you may want to get some of this Scotch 33 electrical tape. This is standard duty electrician's tape. And what you do, take one strip, put it over the spine. That way you won't erode the spine as you're performing your round trips. If you have gold leafing or something like that on your razor, you may want to cover it up with this. For everyday touch-ups, you don't need this, but if you're doing some more major work to a razor, then it would be a good idea to put the electrical tape, just one strip, fold it over the spine. That's about it. I'll put together a kit of all these items, the Master Straight Razor Shaving Kit, and we'll put a link under the video where it says show more. You can grab it there. Also, links to all these videos, how to do these different things, will be there as well, and in the upper corner. You know what time it is? It's time for me to get my shave on. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.